this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove component in Figma. So right fast here, I'm just going to click on here on text and just for or whatever, maybe rectangle. And now I have 2 here, 3, whatever. And then I have here these couple of options here. And here we have the option to create components. Now if I go to assets, I'll be able to see here the our component. So when you navigate here on this panel, the left side of your Figma interface, this panel, guys, actually displays all your project assets, including components. You now probably have more components than me here. So find your component, locate where it is, and then remove it from your project within components section of the assets panel. Now you can right click here and hide when publishing, or go to the main component. Now here you can see instance, insert instance. All right, now we can see here rectangle. We can click on this and detach instance. So just gonna delete this, actually this one and this one I don't need. Now I'm gonna click on here and you have component configuration. But another thing that you can do here, when you click on this, when you have this frame here and locate component, you can simply right click on this one here, and here you can see a couple of things. Main component, you can publish selected components, but you can also, this component, you can delete it, right? So to do so, what you're gonna have to do here is to click on copy, and then you create another one, and the second one you'll be able to delete it. Now here in component we don't have any components basically. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this video on how to remove a component, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.